In this video, we are going to install Yitamotor's curved tri-row LED light bar. Hey guys, in this channel, I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. This bar is IP67, waterproof and dustproof, made of aluminum alloy housing with fins for efficient cooling, quick heat dissipation for a longer lifespan of about 50,000 hours. Tri-row LEDs with 30-degree spot and 150-degree flood beams. Reflective cup design for a wider range of illumination. Uses 180 watts and a bright 108,000 lumens. Illumination range is about 300 meters or 984 feet. Color temperature is 6,000 kelvins. Its working temperature is -40 degrees to 185 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're interested in this product, I'm gonna leave a product link in the description below. It does come with your mounting hardware, your mounting brackets with some screws, nuts, bolts, and washers. I will be using a different method to mount these on the roof of my car. I'll be using this magnetic base to mount it on the roof of my car. Has a total of 12 powerful magnets, 6 on each base. Rubber covers to protect this bracket from scratching the paint of your vehicle. No drill design. You can just place this on the top of your hood or the roof of your car. And you want to make sure the surface is flat so the magnets do stick strongly to your car. The light bar I got is 50 inches. I think it's a bit too long. It does not sit flush or flat against the metal of the car because of this groove. So, in order for me to solve the problem, I think I'm gonna drill holes here. That way I can screw the magnet and it'll shift closer. Hopefully that's enough for me to get a flatter surface. Right now it's pretty sturdy, but I don't want to chance it. So here it is repositioned. I did the base a little bit further out. So here's the original hole. I made another hole and just screwed the bolt right in. Okay, here we go.
Can't reach. Oh no. You got it?
I think so. Let me see your side.
No, it's not on.
It's not?
Why does it have to be like that?
Huh.
Oh no.
So here it is with the little adjustment. I think I'm happy with it. It is very sturdy, does not move. So again, I drilled another hole here just so that the magnets can go closer away from this groove. Okay, as you can see, it sits nice and flush. I did bend this down a little just to have it a little bit more of a curve. So I bent this in. You can see where I bent it. And I also bent it from here. I bent it in just so it matches the curve of the roof. That way the magnets sit nice and flush and it's a tight fit. Does not move. The front one may stick out just a bit right over there, but really sturdy. Next, we'll move on to the wiring. So I did attach some terminals to the end. for easy wiring. Here's the wiring setup. There is, I don't know if you can see, just a minor little gap. Other than that, everything's nice and flushed. Then we're going to connect it to our switch box. Here's the end result. Nice and clean. Side view. Now let's turn it on. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.